hi to the vlog. Ay. Ipaposting ka pa. Post. For noon. May pa-vlog. Of course, vlog natin to. Naghintay kami kay Lou. Tapos haggard daw siya. Tapos kami fresh na fresh lang. Ayun lang ata. From duty. Uy, nakaluwag-luwag na yan si Rudy eh. Tingnan mo yung boat bag niya. Wow. Uy, busy kayo? Anong oras?
Ayun, napapala ng double po.
Spectral goals won't even wait too long, but I can try to speak, 'cause everything is better with you and me. It won't be temporary, I'm sure that I'll be there, but who knows that the moment before this ends, I'll know that there's always tomorrow again.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi to the
I'm
vlog.
trying to show you all the things in my head.
Hi to the vlog.
I wanna be something you wouldn't regret. On lonely nights, the lows,
Supportive.
the highs, I know. I want
Diba?
no one
Wow.
else beside
Wow.
me,
Wow.
but I'm
Ay,
not sure
ay,
if
wow.
I am ever
Push.
enough. The way I'm feeling something now, I give up. Don't know how to show it. Wanna give it my all for you. I know it's better with you and me. It won't be
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. That you know.
Hi,
Hang your stockings, baby. Have
Oh my
yourself
God, more years to come. Uy.
people all over this big world. They're getting ready to play.
Hanap kami ng upuan. Dating gawin natin.
Baby, let's swing the night away. Hold me close, 'cause in our hearts, Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night. Families' laughter fills the air. The warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. It's just
Mami, yan na ako, mami.
Christmas time is here again.
Head this way to meet Santa. It's the most beautiful time of the year. There's so much cheer. Junpao! Junpao! Pumunta dito. Ay, ito yung mga ano.
Falling gentle and bright. Candles glow in the winter
Candle.
night. Families' laughter
Oh.
fills the air.
Cute din naman.
The warm
Cute siya.
love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon.
Magpigil sa camera, Candy.
Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Go tell your friends.
Found a food
this time is here again.
May tishi-tishi lang ako.
Merry Christmas! Happy Year 2! Oh my God! 2 years na tayong ganito!
Okay guys, nako yung gift nila. Okay. Close eyes everyone, close eyes. Kasi wala akong raffle. Close eyes! Oh no! Exchange kayo ha, exchange if ayaw niyo kung ano gusto niyo. Dahil huwag kang mag-face. Kaya nga, sana nakaluwag-luwag na. Ay, Nakita ko lang siya, apat kasi so. Thank you, ate. Gusto niyo exchange na lang kayo.
Ito yun.
Hindi ko alam
Ito
sa
din.
yung pinto.
Ayan yung yellow.
Ito yung guys size.
Color line niya yung ata.
Ito yung yellow. Ito yung sa mga isa.
Oy, mayaman. Saan?
Year 2, last year ng contract namin. Kaya ano?
Ay, walang bibilhan.
Yung manifestation natin next year 2025, end of 2025, ano na yung gusto mong ma-reach or ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve, ganun. Sige, ka una.
Sa akin, by year 2025, dapat manifesting makapunta sa Canada, matapos yung bahay namin, and more savings to come. Yun lang. Manifest.
Oh, sige. Kasi dapat natin to.
Papanoorin
next year.
yan natin yan sa hotel.
Oh, OMG!
Dalhin mo yung projector mo. Ako pala sa projector.
Oy, oo nga, dalhin mo yung projector mo. Okay, yung sa akin naman, yung manifestation ko is, finally, by 2025, end of 2025, wala na akong utang. Kapag meron man, at least yung konti na lang, yung parang sa bahay, yung pinundar ko sa bahay, ganun. Tapos, napunta ko yung Switzerland. Tapos,
Yay, manifest.
oo, napunta ko na yung Switzerland.
Go.
Approve yung
Manifest mo din,
visa.
magkajowa ka.
Oy, manifest ko din na baka magka-jowa na din ako dun sa Switzerland. Wishlist to.
Pwede na din.
Pwede na din siya.
Sige.
Next.
Gusto ko din magka-jowa. Charot.
Ayan.
Siguro may jowa na ako by that time. Ay! LDR lang ah. Ay!
Start ng ng emergency fund, tapos maubos lahat ng utang, then sana ma-achieve ko yung yung investment ko sa self ko. Like everything.
Like the face.
Oo, your face, yung basta lahat. Tapos siguro sana hindi na ako mag-settle sa fling-fling lang. Char.
Ako din
Sana
eh.
yun.
Ayaw ko
Totoo
na yung
na.
fling eh.
Pagod na ako.
Oh, pagod na ako sa gano'n.
Pagod na pala kami eh.
Ay, ikaw na, Lu.
Wow, tawang-tawa yan si Rudy. Tangina.
Ikaw. Kami ni PJ, ganon.
Ay, wala. Okay, sa akin naman, first of all, gusto kong makapag-solo travel.
Solo.
Hindi ko alam.
achieve yan.
Oh, solo
Achieve mo
talaga.
yan. Madali lang yan. Pag solo ka sa JB.
Pag nabuisit tayo, i-book nga natin yung...
Yung wala yun naman. Brother, yung makikita yun. Baka solo travel to Philippines eh.
Solo travel to JB.
Yung Baguio or Sagada lang.
Yung Baguio girl. Yung Sagada medyo mahirap puntahan.
Okay, Sagada. Yung sa
Ano
akin
pa?
solo travel. Tapos, either dapat makapag-start na ako ng mga investment.
Anong investment?
Hindi ko pa alam. Siguro business or kahit anong... Basta may makita ako sa pera ko. Kasi kayo sa makapagtayo ng bahay. Ako, siguro kahit bili ng condo or bahay din. Or basta kahit lupa. Kahit lupa man.
totoo.
Venture into
Push.
business.
Manifest.
Yes. Tapos girl, magka-abs. Talaga
Iba
magka-abs.
talaga yung nakakaahon.
Yung naka-block ka na Victoria's Secret na gano'n. Go mo yung girl ha.
Abs talaga. Ang hirap. Ang sarap ng pagkain.
May abs na siya.
Dapat sa December natin sa hotel mo yun, magkakan tayo ha. May swimming pool. May swimming pool, naka-Victoria's Secret ka na.
So, dapat may body goals yun.
Hindi siya lang.
Uy, tayo lahat. Manigos.
Healthy sa
Bantay lang
lahat.
kami sa gilid, no?
Dapat makinis din yung puwet.
Ay, shit.
Dito lang kami, nagtatambay. Anong araw to? December 1, 2024.
December 2 na.
Oh, pero December 2 na ngayon. Tapos na yung araw eh.
Yeah.
Yan.